Hey dolls! So today I am doing an AMI clubwear haul. You guys know I love AMI clubwear so much. I have worked with them quite a few times on my channel. So I got a few rompers from them. So I'm going to do kind of a romper haul. I also got a skirt and a dress and a couple other items as well as a pair of shoes. You guys know AMI clubwear is like the best place on the planet for shoes. Oh my goodness, I love them so much. They always have crazy awesome sales going on and all of that fun stuff. And with that, let's go ahead and get into these items. So I guess I'll go ahead and just start with the rompers first. The first one that I'm wearing is, well, I guess you guys can kind of see like a partial try on haul for at least one of the items. This is a super cute like gingham plaid-ish print with some floral designs on it. And let's see if I can stand up here. This is about where it sits on me. It is super flowy and very, very cute. It cinches at the waist and it has a ton of room right here for your girls, which I absolutely love because you guys know sometimes I struggle finding the right size tops and clothing and stuff like that because of my larger chest. So this one is great. It's nice and flowy. It is elastic, has lots of room. It has these adorable little tie straps on them so you can tighten or loosen them to whatever length and fit that you want. And then the little strings just kind of hang down and are very precious. I absolutely love this. Also, all of the links to all of these items, if I can find them and if they are still in stock, I will link them in the description box below so you can definitely, hopefully, get your hands on them if you want them. So there is that romper. The next romper is this. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this one so much. It is so cute. It is like this hot pink color with these daisies all over it. And it is very stretchy, very comfortable. I love this romper so much. The only thing I don't like about this one is the open back in the back. You guys know I've been through this so many times on my channel, again, with the chest struggle here. I have to wear a bra with not like 99.9% of everything that I wear, and the front bras that do not have a back do not work for me. I have ordered a few of them a few times and every single one of them has been a fail and has not worked for me, so unfortunately I can't use those. Thank you guys for recommending them to me and letting me know about them, but unfortunately they don't work for my personal problems, my personal areas here. They don't work the way that I would like them to. So unfortunately it does have somewhat of an open back, so my bra will be seen. But whatever, what you gonna do? I'll just wear like a cute little cardigan or sweater over it or something like that. But it is so cute and I do absolutely love the fit of this one so much. And in most of these I got a size small, just so you know. The next one, I think that this one is so cute. This was one of my favorite ones on the website. It is kind of like a rustic shabby chic floral print and it is so cute. I got this in a size small as well. However, I don't really like how this one looks on me particularly. I feel like it needs to be cinched at the waist a little bit more, but it is very flowy and very comfy. So I'm willing to sacrifice the comfort, I guess, for the cuteness or well-fittedness of it, I guess you could say. This is a really nice one to just kind of wear around the house on a lazy day or just out and about. If you're going to the grocery store or something, it's just comfy and flowy, and it is a romper, so even though it looks dressy, it is a romper, and it does like have shorts at the bottom. But it is so cute, and this one also has adjustable straps. The next one I got, I also don't like the fit on this one. I think I got this in a medium. This one I got in a medium, and I regret I should have gotten it in a small. I usually get them in smalls, but I got a medium in this one. This one is very cute. It is like a super pale pink and white pinstripe. Just kind of like a long vertical stripes, and it has this adorable little tummy cutout, so it cuts out above your belly button so your belly button isn't just like hanging out. but when I put this on, I didn't like where the cutout sat. I feel like if I would have gotten a small, the cutout would have been a little bit tighter on me, because my problem is usually I need a medium to a large in my top, but I'm normally like a small around my waist and my hips and things like that. So unfortunately the cutout is a little bit too, like, it gapes open and it's kind of like floppy and flowy in a way, so I'm not really loving this one so much. I'll probably end up giving this one away or selling it or something. I'm not super obsessed with the fit of it. I should have gotten a small. Maybe I can exchange it, but it is very cute. It looked absolutely adorable on the model, and it came with this little ribbon tie that you can kind of like tie the back together to make a little bow, or just put it wherever you so choose on the piece. But it's very cute. I just wish that it fit a little bit better on me. It was my mistake. I should have gotten a small. Then we have this one. I got this one so that I could wear it possibly to the fair, or maybe pair it with some cowboy boots or something. However, the sleeves are really puffy, so if you're not a fan of puffy sleeves, you're probably not going to like this one. But it is like a little off the shoulder puffy sleeves, and it is super elastic. Oh my gosh, I love that. And the top is very, very stretchy as well. This is a small, and you can see it is just like a solid denim color, and I absolutely love it. I think that it will look so cute with some cowboy boots, and I don't know, I just love the fit of this one too. But the sleeves are like super puffy, so it's definitely not like an everyday piece, but it is really cute. Okay, those are all of the rompers. Now onto the other clothing pieces. My camera is probably going to freak out because it doesn't like when I show like blue toned items. Like you saw that it freaked out and showed crazy different colors when I showed this piece. It's probably gonna freak out when I show this piece as well. So bear with me if my camera freaks out. But this is an adorable dress. It is very lacy, and my camera is actually doing really well with the coloring of this. But it is absolutely beautiful. It is thick on the bottom. It's not like super sheer. There is a sheer spot around the tummy right here, and of course the top around the shoulders is sheer as well. The boob area does have some padding in it, so that is nice. And it has an adorable little button closure at the top, so when you look at it in the back, there is a little keyhole. This is so precious. It fits me like a glove. I think I got this, oh, this is a medium as well, and it actually fits me perfectly. No pockets, but it is just precious. I can't wait to wear this to a wedding or another event. So that is very cute. Now this, I kind of wish I could do a try on of this, but you'll definitely see this on my Instagram. I don't know exactly what I want to pair this with just yet. Maybe some high-waisted shorts, maybe some hot pants. I'm not 100% sure, but this is really cool. They also sell costumes and like club wear. I mean, AMI club wear and like cosplay stuff. And I think this was in like their costume cosplay section, but it is like this high-low belt, but it has like this train skirt attached to it. But as you can see, the front is completely open, so there is no front skirt. This is the part that you wear in the front, and whatever it is that you're wearing underneath is exposed in the front. But then you have this huge giant train in the back, and I'm really excited to test this out with certain outfits that I have and try it out. I have no idea what I want to pair it with just yet. I'm kind of contemplating. I know it would look super cute with like a bodysuit, or, you know, just, I don't know. There's so many options. I gotta figure out what I want to pair it with, but it's really, really cute, and I do like the holographic aspect of the belt part. And this is a, I think it said one size on the website, but I received a small medium, and I barely got it over my tushy, so it doesn't have that much give to it. As you can see, it doesn't have a lot, so be aware of that, but it is absolutely beautiful. I love the color of it. So those are all of the clothing items. Now on to the, I got 2 bags and 2 shoes, or well, 2 shoes, 1 pair. 1 pair, 2 shoes. 2 shoes make a pair. So I got 2 bags and 1 pair of shoes. So these are the shoes. You guys know I love stuff like this. So these are pink, like holographic little heels. Unfortunately, they are a size too big. They don't feel a size too big when I'm wearing them, but they look a size too big when I'm wearing them. So I'm not 100% sure. They're a 5.5. I should have gotten a 5. I don't think they made this one in a 5 though, but very cute. I love how just like iridescent and hollow and just so cute that these are. Again, they fit. They fit comfortably. Like, I feel like I can walk in these just fine. It's just that they are a size too big. If you guys have any tips and tricks on how to get shoes like this to fit a little bit better, usually when I buy my shoes a size or like a half size up, I have like little heel grips that I can stick in the back of them and put my like inserts that'll help take up some of the space in the shoe. But with a style like this, I can't necessarily do that. So if you guys have any tips and tricks other than like wearing thick socks with them, let me know in the comments below. But aren't these absolutely precious? I might end up having to give them away to a friend or sell them though. So they are so cute. And I saw on their website that they had this giant massive clutch which matched these shoes perfectly. I didn't plan on wearing this as like an actual purse. Like when I go out, I planned on using it as like a makeup bag for travel or like for hair products and stuff like that when I am traveling. But it is a very big. I absolutely love the size of this. Like, it's clearly bigger than my face, but it's so cute and it matches these shoes almost perfectly. So if you did want a little night out on the town, these are super cute together. And the last thing is a bag, a little purse. It looks like this. It is just a little crossbody purse, and the strap has like a little belt type connector. Unfortunately, it doesn't have like a smaller handle and you cannot remove the strap. It is connected. It does have a back pouch, which I wish was a little bit deeper. It only goes to about like right here. I wish it went like almost all the way down. That would have been cool. But it just opens on up like so. And not only does it have a flap closure, it also has a zipper across the top. So you have the button that closes, but there's also a zipper. So this would be a great bag to take somewhere where you're concerned about being pickpocketed or robbed or mugged or something, because it has like double secure closure, which is great. The inside is pretty flimsy. There's a few pockets, a little zipper pouch in the back. I'm not too picky about how my purses look on the inside because no one really ever sees that, and I rarely ever see the bottom of my purse anyway because it's so jam-packed full of stuff. But if you're someone who is concerned about what the inside of the purse looks like and the material of it and all of that stuff, this one probably isn't for you. But it is obviously fake leather and it just looks like this. And this is like one of my favorite shades of pink, a bubblegum pink, just like my walls. So obviously I had to get this little guy, and it is actually pretty big for being a crossbody, so that is awesome. So yes, that is everything that is in my little AMI Clubwear romper clothing haul this time around. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and let me know what your favorite item was in the comment section down below. All of these will be listed in the description box down below, so if you want to get your hands on any of them, do it now before they sell out, because I know stuff goes pretty quick on that website, especially when they have their crazy awesome sales. So with that, I'm gonna talk to you all in my next video. So until then, so long, stay strong, stay true, and be you. All right,